Gargle with one simple ingredient and see what happens to your teeth. Apple cider vinegar is one of the most widely used ingredients for a wide range of purposes. It is mostly used due to its medicinal properties. Apple cider vinegar is made from fermented apples. Moreover, it is rich in pectins, healthy compounds, and fundamental minerals. It can be used to treat a countless number of ailments. What's more, it is considered to be the most powerful and effective ingredient for teeth whitening. Apple cider vinegar and teeth whitening. Apple cider vinegar can maintain the pH in the mouth due to its acidic properties. Moreover, it whitens the teeth by eliminating the stains from the enamel. When used for your oral health, it destroys gum diseases and microbes in your mouth. Hence, it leaves your mouth bacteria-free and your teeth white as pearls. In order to use apple cider vinegar for oral care, you should always dilute it with water. Thus, mix a half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar solution in a cup of water and swish around your mouth. Practice this treatment in the morning and brush your teeth as normal after this procedure. Repeat this treatment on a daily basis. Important tips: never use undiluted apple cider vinegar because it may harm your teeth, especially the enamel. It is acidic in nature and shouldn't be used undiluted. Always shake the bottle before you use it as the crucial ingredients are available at the bottle space. Do this procedure every morning. However, do not use apple cider vinegar more than once a day or two as it may damage the enamel. You can also use oil pulling, which is another powerful method for maintaining the oral health and whitening the teeth. Make sure you take a proper oral care. Brush your teeth at least twice a day and floss them too.